recent decades, flat roofs have become more common in commercial and residential buildings. At the same time, more and more businesses and households are choosing to self-produce clean, renewable energy to save money as well as help protect the environment. Knowing these trends, 𝐊𝐞𝐲 Solar has introduced the tri-bracket mounting system, a durable and flexible product ideal for flat concrete roofs. The product is guaranteed to last long thanks to its anodized surface material. Anodizing brings various benefits, including high resistance against abrasion, corrosion and fading. It also uses 6005 T5 aluminium material, which further enhances its corrosion resistance, while its SS304 stainless steel components make it more durable and oxidation resistant. The roof mount is able to withstand intense wind speeds of up to 64 meters per second and heavy snow loads of up to 100 centimeters. The flexible design makes the mounting system applicable to various customer requirements. It accommodates both framed and unframed PV modules, while its module arrangement can fit either landscape or portrait orientation with a tilt angle of up to 30 degrees. Customers can rest assured that the product is reliable, as it is approved by international certifications including Japanese JIS, C8955, SGS and CE certificates. For this roof mounting system, we offer a 12-year product warranty. 𝐊𝐞𝐲 Solar is a high-tech enterprise that specialises in the development, manufacturing and marketing of photovoltaic mounting systems. Our products have been extensively tested before being released on the market. We have several production bases located in major provinces in China, and we export to various regions of the world. 𝐊𝐶 owns the complete production line and the automatic finish production lines. They improve the quality of the production processes to guarantee the quality of the products and lower production costs.